people ever consider the health of their feet until a problem like bunions, ingrown nails, or painful corns and calluses start causing discomfort or pain. And then you realize how much the use of your feet affects nearly every moment and every aspect of your life. When you have foot pain, the last thing you want is a painful procedure to get rid of it, which is why we thought you should meet Dr. Jeffrey Adler. Hi, I'm Janice Marie, and we're here today in Midtown Manhattan at Adler Footcare of Greater New York. Dr. Adler is a pioneer in the use of minimally invasive surgeries and procedures that are safe, often completely painless, and most importantly, effective, so you can get back on your feet and enjoy your life. Let's take a look.
Adler Foot Care is a one-stop shop for all your foot care needs. In terms of foot pain and foot function, we can help you get to where you want to be in terms of how you want to function and relief of pain. We specialize in minimally invasive surgical procedures. These are procedures that basically use tiny openings, no stitches, no pins, no time off the feet, and most times no pain to help correct common foot problems.
What are some of the afflictions or conditions that someone might come to see you with?
People come to us with all sorts of problems. These can be anything from bunions, hammer toes, drop metatarsals, ingrown nails, skin problems. These are all treatable. Most of them are dealt with either non-surgically or with minimally invasive surgery in this office.
My previous podiatrist, whom I've been seeing for about 25 years, had not been able to help my wife. I met Dr. Adler at a health fair at my company. I was impressed by his more modern technology, decided to see what he could do for my wife. We got wonderful results for my wife, so I decided to switch over to him also. Now, I had been wearing orthotics for about 25 years when I first came to see Dr. Adler, and he gave me a much more thorough examination than I'd had before, and the results have been great. And I would highly recommend Dr. Adler, and as a matter of fact, have recommended him to several other members of my family and anyone else that needs a really good podiatrist.
Dr. Adler actually performed 2 surgeries for me, one in one foot and then 3 months later on the other foot. And thank God I did it. And he has very great bedside manners, because the day after the surgery, he actually calls home to check, to make sure everything is going well. And from time to time, he does call, you know, to make sure everything is great.
There's an old saying in life that your body talks to you, listen to it. When you're having pain, that is the body's way of trying to get your attention to tell you that something's going on wrong. Unfortunately, what ends up happening is that most people ignore foot pain. Most people feel that feet should hurt. If somebody had the amount of pain that most people have and put up with their feet in their stomach or their head, they would be to the doctor yesterday. In the foot, they ignore it. Especially women and younger women who like fashionable shoes, they put up with a certain amount of this for beauty. We understand that, and we'll try to work with them. But when you have your foot hurts, you hurt all over.
Dr. Donna Hartman is an associated podiatrist practicing at the offices of Adler Foot Care. Dr. Hartman practices foot care with a woman's touch.
Our feet are so important to us. We walk so many steps a day, and especially in New York City environment or any city environment, we're walking on all the wrong surfaces. We're walking on cement, asphalt. This creates havoc to our feet. People come in with foot problems because of this, and we steer them and guide them to the right thing to do. We offer them physical therapy. We offer them orthotics, which is an insert that fits into the shoe. Years ago, they used to be big, clunky things, and you had to wear them in sneakers or loafers. But now, They're streamlined to your shoes, to a woman's dress shoe, and it's just a wonderful thing. It really supports your foot, and you don't have that fatigue, you don't have that pain, and you're supporting your feet.
And the staff was just amazing here. I mean, they give me such good care. I'm still in the process of recovering, but it's just been a really easy experience. I have had minimal pain with both, and my doctors were available on call should I need them, and they answered my questions. In addition to that, they've also made the process so much easier with any supplies that I may have needed, and just making sure that even getting home safe, they take care of it. So they spoil me a bit here.
How would you describe your philosophy or your approach?
My philosophy of podiatry is that feet shouldn't hurt, but neither should their treatment. We do everything in this office to reduce pain. We can reduce pain on most patients' feet even before any type of procedures are done. It won't last for the most part because of the structural problems, but the biggest thing we want to do is reduce pain. Be able to have the patient get through their life without pain. And that's an important thing, because if the feet aren't functioning properly, not bearing weight properly, and that weight gets translated up the leg, into the knee, into the hip, and cause many other different problems in the foot and the leg.
I'm fine. I'm back to wearing some attractive shoes, sandals. I'm not ashamed of my feet. I'm not wearing socks as much as I used to, because they were very deformed, because the hammer toes they actually look like that, like claws. And people were noticing them and, saying, "Oh, what's the matter with your feet?" So now they look pretty good. And I was very happy with Dr. Adler, the staff. They've been wonderful. They've been very patient, and they're very professional. And Dr. Adler's great. He's been great.
Women have said that I've changed their life because they've now been able to wear shoes that they couldn't wear. They can show their feet because they're embarrassed. Some women wouldn't go to the beach. So it sounds trivial, but these are things that make a big difference in people's lives. Plus, we stop pain. So the thing is, plus, I practice the way that I was trained to practice, and I enjoy what I do very much because of being able to help people, and because I'm doing what I want to do.
Feet shouldn't hurt, and neither should their treatment. So if you want happy feet that feel great, it's Adler Footcare of Greater New York. Reporting from Manhattan, I'm Janice Marie.